Hi viewers, this is OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. In this video, I am going to show you how to root this device without any complicated process. The whole process is quite easy, so let's get started. By the way, I am Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. Here first check the device model. From your settings, just check in About section. You can see that this is a global variant 82125 and it's on Android 12. Just note these two things. Now come to the Windows interface. I hope that you already know that every rooting or modifying process needs the bootloader to be unlocked. So I hope that you already unlocked your bootloader too. If not, that is not too difficult. But do remember that unlocking the bootloader will wipe every data from your phone. So make sure to back up your data. To root in a very simple process, we need only two files. Just for the demonstration, these two files you may call as a one file because this is a TWRP. One is for Android 12, one is for Android 11, and for Android 13 of this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. There is no TWRP available till now, but you may use the Orange Fox recovery. That's much better than this TWRP. But the Orange Fox does not support the Android 11, 12, so that's why I have to use this TWRP version because I do not want to upgrade this OnePlus 9 Pro to Android 13 due to the green line issues after updating to Android 13. So this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G is on Android 12 and we need only these two files and put this file on side. And here one is TWRP, one is Magisk 7.0. If you want to flash permanently TWRP, you can also do that. If you do not want the TWRP, only if you want the Magisk, you can also do that too. But it's just my opinion that every modder or router who wants their device to modify or root, they must want the TWRP recovery. That's because it's custom and gives much more functions for the user. So first we have to temporarily boot this TWRP on Android 12. Then from that TWRP we just have to flash this Magisk. It doesn't matter that it is just renamed on APK or image or zip format. It will flash from the TWRP. So first open a command prompt shell or CMD. My preferred method is from here. You can open anywhere. First reboot in the Fastboot mode. reboot BootLoader. And you can see that the device is turned off now and it's booting into the bootloader mode. But first of all, make sure to install the ADB and Fastboot environment in your PC. Also the latest Oppo drivers for this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G to work with this method. You can see that its bootloader is unlocked. But you saw that there is no bootloader unlock warning at startup. It's just a feature of Android 12 OxygenOS. So from here, we have to just boot with this TWRP instead of flashing. So it's a safe method to boot first with the TWRP and then flash permanently to check that if any problem occurs with this image or not. So to boot with this TWRP, just check that it's connected or not. Issue the command fastboot devices to check the connection with phone, and you can see that this device is in fastboot mode. Now issue the command fastboot boot and then just drag and drop this TWRP recovery here. Just we are booting with this TWRP, just hit enter. And you can see that voila, it's downloading boot image, it's booted done. Okay, and now this is a fast boot mode and it is booting in this TWRP recovery. You can see that in version. Finally, it booted in this TWRP recovery. Now from here, if you want to permanently install this TWRP recovery, just go to this advanced tab. Now from here, just select this flash current TWRP. Just swap this and you will get permanently flashed this TWRP recovery, but I do not want right now. Now just from here, just copy this Magisk APK inside your phone memory. I already did that. Now from here, just click on this install. Here you can see that the Magisk version 27.0 APK at the time of recording this tutorial. Now just click on this and now just swipe to flash. Here you can see that it is unpacking the boot and doing its all stuff. It's extracting the boot image and then modifying it, repacking it, and again flashing the modified boot image that contains the root files. So there is no need to wipe Deluxe cache. You may want, it's up to you if you want to wipe this Deluxe cache, wipe Deluxe or not. It is just a cache partition. So now just to reboot into the system, Optionally, if you can backup some partitions, like the important most partitions are EFS or process image, so if you can do the backups from here. I already did, because you can see that I can restore the partitions from here. EFS are persist. In case of any damage, these two partitions you will not find anywhere else. So just from here, just reboot to the system, and now it's just rebooting. You saw that there is no logo appeared, no bootloader unlock warning appeared here again. So from here, just unlock this device. Now from here, just you can see that the Magisk, it's not installed properly right now. You can see. Now just go to this file manager, go to the storage. Now just again install the Magisk APK from here. Click on this install just to update. Now it's open. Here it gives you a warning. So again, I'm not going to hit OK right now, but you have to click OK because it again flashes the rooted boot image within this app to this phone properly again. So I'm just cancelling this. Now from here, root checker, you can see that if you verify this device, now you can see that the shell appears, and for click it's forever. The selection is forever. Now if I grant, you can see that congratulations, the device has been rooted. Voila, we have done this all process and we successfully rooted with many handful instructions and guides in this video. Also, I put it a video at the last of this video, probably that you may interested in. So do not forget to check that also. So again, a little bit request from my side that if you enjoyed or got something new in this content, just give us a little thumbs up. It may be a great mark of appreciation for me, and smash the red subscribe button also. I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling.